Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about lists and keys. Lists are crucial in React for showcasing multiple items within a component. They enable you to present data more efficiently. Keys are vital in React lists since they are unique identifiers for individual list items. Keys aid React in managing and updating the DOM more effectively. For example, in an e-commerce application, a list of products to be displayed might utilize keys to differentiate and update products accurately in the user interface. To create a list of components in React by mapping over an array, follow this example using Python. First, define an array numbers with values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, apply the map method on numbers to generate a list of components. Inside the map function, return a list item element I containing the current number. In this way, each number in the array will be encapsulated within a list item component. In React, keys are used to uniquely identify list items when rendering arrays of elements. They serve to optimize React's rendering process by facilitating efficient updates. Keys must be unique among sibling elements within the same array, ensuring React can accurately track item changes. While globally unique keys are not required, sibling elements should possess distinct keys. For instance, consider a scenario where a list contains repeated values, e.g. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this instance, providing unique keys for each element would prevent rendering errors. To illustrate this concept practically, let's delve into the provided Python example. Numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. List items equals numbers.map number, li key equals number. In the context above, numbers represents an array containing integers from 1 to 5. Utilizing the map method, each number is dynamically mapped to an li element within the list. The key property is set to the respective number, ensuring each li element is uniquely identified. By implementing unique keys for list items, React can accurately track and update components, enhancing performance and avoiding unintended rendering behaviors. Remember, while not globally unique, sibling elements in a list must possess distinct keys to maintain rendering integrity. Lists are like a shopping list where items are organized in a specific order. Keys are like the unique identification number for each item on the shopping list. Just like you need keys to identify and access specific items on a shopping list, in programming, keys are needed to access and modify data elements in a list. For example, in a program, you can use keys to access specific elements in a list and update them accordingly. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet showcases a React component called Shopping List that operates based on the concept of lists and keys. The useState hook initializes and manages a list of shopping items, each item being an object with a unique ID and a name property. An ID serves as a key for each item, ensuring they are uniquely identifiable within the list. This is vital for React to efficiently render and update components in the virtual DOM. The handle update item function illustrates the capability to modify specific items within the list. When the update button associated with an item is pressed, the function updates that particular item's name by appending updated to the existing name. The shopping list's UI renders each item in an unordered list component. The map method iterates over the list of items, with each item enclosed in a list item. The key attribute in the list item tag is set to the item's ID, ensuring React can keep track of individual items efficiently. In the real world, this analogy can be likened to an online shopping cart, where each item has a unique SKU or ID. The ability to update specific items in the cart based on their unique identifier provides a seamless user experience and efficient data management. Keys play a crucial role in ensuring React can efficiently render, update, and track components within a list. An industrial application of lists and keys can be seen in e-commerce platforms. When displaying a list of products, each product typically has a unique identifier, key, assigned to it. This key is essential for efficiently updating, deleting, or managing individual products within the list, just like in the React example provided. Another real world example can be found in inventory management systems used in manufacturing industries. Maintaining a list of raw materials or products with unique identifiers, keys, allows for the seamless tracking, modification, and organization of inventory items. Keys play a crucial role in efficiently managing and manipulating large sets of data in these systems. In conclusion, the concept of lists and keys is crucial not only in front end development with React, but also in various industrial applications worldwide to manage and manipulate data efficiently. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.